Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So here is another update video on my client here who actually used to get alopecia weaves, you guys. She used to drive from Jacksonville and her top of her head was severely broken. And she trusted Crystal in the process, and we decided that it was time for her to wear her own hair. And look how much her hair has grown. If you guys have seen previous videos, you will know that she was one of my clients that was doing the alopecia weaving service on her top. And that hair has literally flourished and grown out. So she comes to see me once every maybe 2 to 3 weeks. She drives to me from Jacksonville, Florida to get her hair done. And I'm super, super proud because she has literally just trusted the process. So we're doing a retouch color in which I'm adding some of our super growth serum to that color. You guys, if you don't know, if I could cook with this serum, I would, but I don't. But I'm adding some to the color because I'm going to allow the color to sit on her hair for about 20 minutes. And we're just going to incorporate that super growth serum in the process. It is not going to hinder the color process. And it's going to sit on the hair as well and help with treating that hair all at the same time. If you guys know anything about Elite Hair Care products and know anything about Crystal, I love creating cocktails using our products because I know that they work, and your girl has come up with a line that is intermixable. So listen, it works. Just know it works. So with me applying this color, this is a semi-permanent color, you guys. I do not recommend using demis or permanent colors if you are getting a fresh relaxer on the same day. I have seen where I used to do that service with demi-permanent colors. And what I noticed is once I transitioned my clients who get relaxers over to the semi-permanent gray coverage colors, it worked a lot better. Their hair felt a lot better. They had less shedding. And that was one of the things that as a stylist, you have to know when to make a change for the greater good. And that was definitely one of the changes that I'm super happy that I made, because it was very complicated for me to transition clients who deal with gray to semi-permanent, but they trust me and they trust that I'm going to steer them in the right direction. So I thank my clients for that, because trust is a big thing, especially if you are a hairstylist. Okay, so with the color application, I am using a brush and a bowl. Even though it is a semi-permanent color, this is great for better application, making sure you have control of where you're placing your color. And look how nice and shiny that hair came out. So we're spraying on a little bit of our Elite Hydra Strength Leave-In Conditioner. And then we're going to go ahead and mold her hair. We're not doing a haircut today. She's enjoying the growth, you guys. We literally had barely enough hair to cover over her hairline. So the fact that she has grown this hair out so much within the past few months is just awesome. Just absolutely amazing. Anyhow, for the wrap, we are using our Elite Silk Wrap Foam. I am directionalizing the hair so that we can make the wrap a lot easier. And she did tell me that now that I've shown her the secret to how to wrap your hair and how to use a bandana, she says that her hair has lasted a lot longer, and she now is a master in wrapping her own hair, which is another great thing, because when you are literally not a hairstylist, if you don't know how to do your own hair when it's needed, you are on the losing end of this battle. When you learn about your hair and learn how to manage your own hair, we see great things as hairstylists, because number one, you're doing your job at home, and number two, I'm doing my job in the salon. So we are a force to be reckoned with going forward. Now, with the wrap foam, you just want to make sure you mold out your hairline, give yourself some nice depth in the hairline, a little accent. If you're not used to that, don't worry about it. That will come later on. Really, the main purpose is to make sure that your mold is, or your foundation, which is your mold, is just basically the best part of it, because it's going to make your job a lot easier. Now, I am using the wrap strips for her hair because I know that her hair would like to pop back out while under the dryer, and I want to keep it nice and flat. So she's going to go under the dryer. Now, she's nice and dry. We did add a little bit of Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum, and I'm just going through using the H2 Pro 3/10 of an inch iron to curl her hair. If you have not already submitted your survey to be a part of the drawing for the H2 Pro Fat Iron, you have until tomorrow night to do the 6-question survey. How you do that is simply go to EliteHairCareUSA.com. On the left-hand side menu, you will see the word survey down at the bottom. Click the word survey. It is a 6-question survey, and that is it. All we want to know is what you think, because we want to make sure that we are going in the right direction. Now, I want you guys to take note of how smooth her foundation is when it comes on to this mold. And it makes a heck of a difference when I am curling her hair. It's leaving that brilliant shine. It's also heat protected at the same time. And that hair is nice and smooth. Good relaxer, good product. Pow. Okay. But I am going to let you guys finish watching the curl process, and then we will come back at the end. But before I go, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're new to my channel, you can save 20% off our products on your first order by using code YouTube20 on our website at elitehaircareusa.com. So that's all the shameless plugs I'm going to put in for now. I will talk to you guys again at the end of the video. All right, so now she is all curled up. I'm just using our comb just to kind of lay out her hairline. And then I'm going to give you guys a once around. I am also using the wide tooth comb from our 4-piece detangle kit. This is one of the combs that comes in that kit with the paddle brush. It can also be used to comb out your wraps, shortcuts, that kind of thing. It's not just for shampooing, you guys. And then I'm just giving her a little bit of fluff to kind of enhance her curls. And that's really it, you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys thought about this update. If you've seen her video, that means you know she has come a long way. So give her some big ups in the comments, you guys. Encourage her to keep going. And I want to say thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget the thumbs up too. Bye.